Hello guys, review Tecno Spark Go 2. This version 3GB memory and 64GB storage. Okay, open box, look completion. We have perfect completion to this device. We have adapter for charging, Type-C cable and headphones and protected case. Okay, device look like an iPhone 16, power button, volume buttons on this side, slot for this side, and downside Type-C, speaker, headphones, headphone jack and microphone. Display 6.7 inch, HD resolution, IPS matrix. We have Android 15 and iOS 15.1.0. Close this. Open Antutu benchmark. We have CPU Unisoc T7250, 5 touches support display, and results of tests. And GPU Mali G57. Open PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load. And works on the medium graphic level. Let's see this. Medium graphic level or low graphic level. Game works good. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.